let's play a little game. Can you guess how many people were living in Pakistan back in 2010? Bigger. Think bigger. Okay, if you haven't guessed it yet, it was about 173.5 million according to the Ministry of Population Welfare, Government of Pakistan. Like, how? It's kind of baffling how so many people can exist in the same place at the same time. Almost dizzying. Well, this is called a population, and it is defined as a group of organisms of the same species located at the same place at the same time. Do keep in mind that this consensus only calculated the human population. But hypothetically, do you think all these people can fit into a single house? No way, right? It would have to be something extraordinarily huge, or it's going to be kind of impossible. But they can live together in the same area, just in separate homes. This is called a common habitat. A common what? Habitat. It is basically an area of the environment in which organisms live. Now, let's think for a moment. Can you name a common habitat? No? Okay, no worries. I have one right here. Have you ever been to an apartment complex? There are different families living together. However, they are not living in the same house, but in the same area. This is a common habitat. So biologists then study how these species interact with one another, how it brings about the different populations, and the pros and the cons of this. All these results give us the required information about how we as humans interact with and influence each other in our society, and in short, just live together. Before we proceed to the final 2 levels of organization, let's take a quick break and just try to gather up all that we have learned in this lesson. We saw how individuals share a common habitat and even make a population.